Welcome back to Product Critique. Today we're diving into what might just be the best nose earrings for women available on Amazon right now. The PunkTracker 16 grams, 18 grams surgical steel internal thread CZ stud piercing jewelry. Whether you're shopping for style, comfort, or reliability, this set of two elegant studs claims to cover it all. Let's take a closer look to see what makes them a top pick for everyday wear and multiple piercings. These earrings are designed with versatility in mind. They're made from high-quality surgical steel, making them hypoallergenic and resistant to rust, perfect for those with sensitive skin. That means no irritation, no turning green, and long-lasting shine. This particular set comes with two pieces, each featuring a clear, sparkling cubic zirconia gem, internally threaded to ensure they stay securely in place. No worrying about them falling off during the day. One of the standout features of these PunkTracker studs is their multifunctional use. They're not just for noses. You can wear them in your tragus, helix, conch, medusa, labrae, or lip piercings. The internal threading system ensures a smooth fit and reduces discomfort when inserting or removing. They're available in several finishes including silver, black, gold, and rose gold, but today we're focusing on the silver option with an 18 grams thickness, a 6mm bar length, and a 2mm CZ gem. A subtle yet elegant size for daily wear or special occasions. Comfort really is a key factor when it comes to piercing jewelry, and PunkTracker delivers here. The surgical steel build not only guarantees durability but also adds a polished finish that pairs well with both casual and formal outfits. The internal thread ensures a smooth, irritation-free fit and avoids snagging, which is a major plus especially for cartilage piercings. And because it's internally threaded, you don't have the exposed edges that you'd get with cheaper alternatives, making it safer for healing piercings. In terms of value, you're getting two well-crafted, multi-use studs for a very affordable price point. They're ideal if you're starting a new piercing or looking to switch out your current jewelry for something more dependable. While there are many options on the market, PunkTracker has managed to create a stylish and functional product that stands out for both men and women. It's sleek, it's secure, and it's built to last. So, if you're looking for quality piercing jewelry that won't let you down, the PunkTracker 16 grams, 18 grams surgical steel CZ studs are definitely worth a try. Make sure to check the size, gauge, and color that fits your personal style before you order. But whatever you choose, you're investing in comfort and quality. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more honest product breakdowns. See you in the next one.